The lion himself. The way things are going right now.
So
I think it's time for us to
release all the powers.
Release all the powers.
In the release all the try God, that guy that is funny. Odumeje saying they release all the powers. Oh boy, Flavour and Odumeje, they had me go crazy, man. Odumeje say Flavour, they ask him, say, maybe I say they release a bit of shaker as the country they shake. Odumeje say mba, not get cheer about it. Not get released a lot of powers. Not get one very soon. They're no longer taking light from the transformer. Say they're taking light directly or directed according to him. But I would say directly from the high tension. Hey, Odumeje. The man say this thing will be pandemic. It will be epidemic. It will be catastrophic. It will be cataclysm. It will be everything down here. I make we just watch. I make we laugh small, man. This guy. Tinubu should just carry this Odumeje, make a minister of spiritual, whatever. At least make it happen with the economy. This guy, that real cloud, man. May we watch and laugh small. Yo, this is not one of the, this Odumeje, sometimes if you be person where they even vex with some pastors where they misbehave, if you see Odumeje, you go forgive all these pastors small. Because the guy is a fun guy, man. But you don't want everybody to make another call him comedian though. So I don't know. At the fear, I not go call him comedian, the man go come vex.
The lion himself. The way things are going right now, I think it's time for us to
release all the powers.
Release all the powers.
I don't want peace. I want problems.
We should first of all give them a hint of Abido Shaker. The country now right now. I think it's time to shaking things up.
It's a spiritual connectivity and connect to high tensions of power. And you know that we're no more collecting light from transformer. We're taking light directed from high tension. 2024, watch out. And I will let you know and declare you what we're going to use to end all this mess.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Amen. Daboski. Bawose.
Epidemic.
Pandemic.
Hey.
Pandemonium.
Hey.
Catastrophe.
Hey.
Cataclysm.
Hey.
Ufonia.
We4We MEDIA Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema. More fire.